Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
what is off-page SEO, why it is important, and what are difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Also define 5 off-page SEO techniques that work. Now let's get started. What is off-page SEO? It refers to the process of optimizing your website's visibility and reputation outside of your website itself. This involves building high-quality backlinks, increasing brand awareness, and establishing your website as an authority in your industry. And now why it is important. Number 1. Improves search engine rankings. High-quality backlinks from authoritative sources can significantly improve your website's search engine rankings. Number 2. Increases brand awareness. Off-page SEO helps to increase your brand's visibility and reputation online, making it more recognizable and trustworthy to potential customers. Number 3. Establishes authority. By building high-quality backlinks and creating valuable content, you can establish your website as an authority in your industry. Number 4. Drives referral traffic. Off-page SEO can drive referral traffic to your website from other sources, such as social media, forums, and other websites. Now we will talk about difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO. 1. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing individual web pages, while off-page SEO focuses on building website reputation and authority. 2. On-page SEO involves keyword research, content optimization, and technical optimization, while off-page SEO involves link building, social signals, and influencer outreach. 3. On-page SEO aims to improve websites' search engine rankings and drive organic traffic, while off-page SEO aims to build websites' authority, reputation, and drive referral traffic. Now we will talk about 5 off-page SEO techniques that work. Number 1. Link building. Building high-quality backlinks from authoritative sources to improve search engine rankings and increase brand awareness. Number 2. Social media marketing. Using social media platforms to promote your brand, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. Number 3. Content marketing. Creating and promoting valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Number 4. Local SEO. Optimizing your website for local search by including your business in local directories, creating content relevant to your local audience, and building high-quality backlinks from local sources. Number 5. Guest blogging. Writing guest posts for other websites and blogs in your industry to build backlinks, increase brand awareness, and establish yourself as an authority in your industry.
Like my video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.